everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Latin here, and today I'm gonna show you this look. And this is perfectly for these home parties. And as you all know, lockdown is going on, all the people are enjoying and celebrating their parties at home. So I have decided to create a perfect party look for home, and let's get started. As you can see, my base was all done, and for my eyes I'm using this Maybelline The Nudes palette, and this is a wonderful palette. I forgot how wonderful is this. And for the transition shade I am taking that and taking a large fluffy brush and applying to the transition shade. And as you can see, the pigmentation of one swipe, I was just shocked at that moment. Sorry for that, guys. And we are building up the crease a transition color slightly. Take your own time and take your preferences. If you want a dark one or light like me, it's up to you. And but the pigmentation of this matte eyeshadows in this palette was so high, guys, trust me. And if you are happy with the transition color, now for the lid I'm taking this goldy shimmer one. I don't know how you can see on camera, guys, but it is pretty gold, but not too gold, if you know what I mean. It's a subtle gold with shimmer in it. And I am taking a flat brush to apply it, and I forgot to spray my brush with setting spray, so I am suffering for the pigmentation. Sorry, guys. And if you don't want, if you want a higher pigmentation with the eyeshadow, then you have to spray your brush with a setting spray or with the water. It's up to you. Then you'll get that perfect pigmentation and perfect shadow color onto your lids. As we didn't apply any concealer or primer to the lid, it becomes so teeny tough for me. But yet, not only camera, in real life it is okay, but I have hopes for the high. And after that I have realized that at home we don't want that much glam on our eyes because it won't be look good. So I have decided to be happy with this. And if you want the higher pigmentation, go and spray your brush with the setting spray or water. Now after adding that onto the eyelids, I have realized that I have a harsh line going on my crease, so I have to set that out. I took this pencil brush and I am running in on the harsh lines to just blend them out. And for the outer corner I took that dark ashy brown shade, if we call it so, and with a pencil brush I am adding this to the outer corner V part of my eyes to give a tiny bit intensive look. Okay, this is what I want, and this is how it looks. Don't worry about the harsh line, guys. If you are adding eyeshadows like so, you will definitely get harsh lines, and after adding all that you can blend out with a blending brush. Okay, then as per the lower lash line, I added nothing dramatic, just ran that same brush to the lower lash line, which has that brown and ashy brown eyeshadow on it, and that too I have did very slightly, as this is a home look. We don't want to go crazy, guys. And for completing tight lining, I took this holy grail L'Oreal's Acol Kajal, and I am tight lining my upper waterline as well as the lower waterline, like so. This is a shock for me, guys, as I always do this tight lining, but I don't know why my eye waters a lot. I just do. It's not a case that I do this tight lining once in a while so that I'm getting the watering. No, I will do it so easily and so quickly and regularly, but still I get that. Sorry for that. And for my eyebrows, I'm taking this Faces eye pencil. This is a super natural one. You just can't say or see anything is going on your eyebrows. and it is a party look. I wanna do some tiny bit different to my eyebrows, so I have started filling with them with this eyebrows pencil, and as you can see, it just gives a slight different and very natural one. And this is how I do. I do not do anything fancy for my eyebrows. And for my eyelashes, I am curling them with the eyelash curler to get on the mascara. I hope my voice was good and loud enough, guys. Well, I don't know why I can't speak loud, sorry for that. And for mascara, I'm using this amazing one from MAC. As you can see, I just literally touch the lashes and you can see how they turned out. There's no 2, 3, 4, 5 coats of mascara as so. Can you see? I will show you. This is how it's just amazing, guys. And if you are running late, or if you can't put mascara so well, then this is for you guys. You just can't do any, you cannot, there's no need to work on it. Just a little touches, it will do its work. And for the inner corner, I took the same palette and this peachy shimmer eyeshadow as my inner corner, and I realized to add this teeny bit onto my brow bone, and this is how it goes. Ignore my face, guys, when I'm doing my makeup. I don't know why I get serious, and I don't know why I look so weird. I will just concentrate on the look, and this is my look, so ignore my face while doing it, sorry guys. And I have realized not realized, I wanted to add this same peachy shimmer which I have added on inner corner to see how it works for highlighting purpose. I am thinking that it's done it pretty much job enough. And for the lips, as always, I will fill my lips with the lip liner to give the lipstick a long lasting effect. And for this lip liner, I'm using this ADS one in shade 10, I believe. I will list that in the description box. And here you can leave this face or lip like so, and if you want little bit like me, I have added this Huda Beauty lipstick on that just to lighten the darkness of the lip liner. And I just fell in love with this look, guys. As your eyes were pretty simple, you should add a tiny bit dark lipsticks for your parties. I just believe in this. And for hair, this is how I left. And as you are be doing in home these parties, you can tie your hair to the pony. And this is the complete look, guys. I hope you like. This is super easy, guys, and no effort in it. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Bye bye.